The attack on Allu Arjun's house has really exploded into a full-blown political fight. Barbs now flying over attackers linked to the Congress and the BRS. Congress protests and posts the attacker's picture with KTR. BRS crying foul rather, saying that this is a fake picture. BRS says attacker Reddy is in fact a key aide of Revanth Reddy. BRS says Congress created fake chats and morphed pictures to put this out. The BRS's big charge on Congress calling it a fake factory. Of course, earlier images that came in, that's what we're flashing on our screens, of the vandal, one of the vandals there with Revanth Reddy, the Congress, in fact, the Chief Minister itself of Telangana, the face of the Congress party in the state, while soon after, the Congress put out an image, this image that you see there, of the man with KTR instead, saying that this man was part of the BRS too. And KTR is seen, in fact, wrapping his arms around that man, showing that they had, if at all this picture is true, showing clearly that they had a good equation. And this image now, both parties using to target one another, saying that this is the attack on Allu Arjun itself is politically motivated. So barbs flying over the attackers' links. One group saying he's part of the Congress, the other saying he's part of the BRS. What's really the fact here? Apurva joining us for more on that. Apurva, the image that's now coming out showing this vandal who created mayhem in Allu Arjun's residence outside his home, attacking and vandalizing his property. His picture, the Congress shows with the BRS leader KTR. BRS has responded saying it's a fake picture, it's morphed. Is that true?
Well, Nabila, on one side we're seeing that the BRS there has come out and released a picture showing one of the accused there, being, in close relations with Revanth Reddy, the Telangana Chief Minister. And on the other side, the Telangana government has now, Telangana Congress has now released a picture showing the said accused with KTR as well in close proximity. Both pictures, the accused remains the same, only the leaders are, different, be it KTR or Revanth Reddy, both tall leaders here in Telangana as well. And now the question remains to be seen is that where this leader is currently, because remember the Congress there says yes, he has been a part of Congress, he has been a youth president, he has been a youth leader. Now he's just a normal karyakarta. That's what the Congress is, saying there. Meanwhile, the BRS there is claiming that there are a lot of false news that has come out against them. In fact, Congress, going a step further, also goes on and says that this attack that had taken place outside Allu Arjun's residence yesterday, the vandalism that had taken place there, in fact, goes on, and also Congress points a finger at KTR, asking if this attack was politically motivated, not by the Congress, but in fact by KTR. And that raises a even more big question mark, because, on one side you have the attackers, the accused there, who have been let out on bail today under, several conditions, including that of rupees 10,000 each and 2 sureties that they had to provide for the police. They had been let out on bail, all of them, 6 of these accused, including this one who has been photographed with, be it KTR from the BRS or Revanth Reddy from the Congress there. All these 6 have been released on bail and they're back at the campus. That's what we are hearing from sources. But the real question remains as to, this is a case that is ongoing right now. This is a case that had been filed against Allu Arjun and 7 others, including his security team. The Pushpa, the Pushpa film, which was shown at Sandhya Theatre, the Sandhya Theatre management, and several others who had been named in the FIR. And with the case ongoing, as there comes a continuous, brickbat between the Telangana police and Allu Arjun, it has set the tone as to question where and how things have gone wrong, and most importantly, what and who is telling the truth. So that's the thing that needs to be ascertained right now. The Congress is blaming the BRS is blaming the Congress, but the entire question that needs to be thought as to what happens to this case in the investigation that is going on, and who is importantly telling the truth. Is it Allu Arjun or is it the Telangana police, both going at each other, releasing videos and holding press conferences? Nabila.
Well, you have the Telangana police there who's come out with a time-stamped video that documents the sequence of events. Allu Arjun says it's false. Is he outrightly countering the Telangana police, claiming that it's false information put out by the police?
Well, Allu Arjun has not named the Telangana police, but in fact he goes on and makes comments saying that there is false information that is being given against him, misinformation that is being spread around, and he also goes on and says that there's been an attempt of character assassination on him and his brand. That's what Allu Arjun had stated at his press conference there. He in fact very categorically states that he's not blaming any person, any political leader or any party, but rather that he is sad that this unfortunate event had taken place where a 32-year-old woman, Revati, had lost her life, where her son is still receiving treatment at a private hospital here in Telangana. He says we support the family, we're there for them, but he does not pinpoint fingers at any person, any individual, political or otherwise, to be behind whatever has been given. So that's something that we need to see. Allu Arjun, the Telangana police releasing the video comes just after Allu Arjun had gone ahead and stated at the press conference there, saying that there was no police who had come to inform him, and just hours after his statement at the press conference there, the Telangana police had released a video on social media where they show Allu Arjun being escorted by the police out of the Sandhya Theatres and into his vehicle so that he can leave from the premises. So it looks like a kind of a counter between the Telangana police and Allu Arjun at this point. He said, she said kind of a conversation that is going on between them, and this all out on social media amidst the public to question and to see what is happening.
All right, thanks very much, Apurva, for joining us on that.